Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter. First, ensure your safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable from your vehicle's battery. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a 12mm socket. You will also need a reliable jack and 2 sturdy jack stands for proper vehicle support. Now, safely lift the front of your vehicle using a jack, then secure it firmly on 2 jack stands. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Once the vehicle is stable, locate the starter motor. It is usually found on the engine block, often near where the transmission connects. Carefully disconnect the main power wire and the smaller solenoid wire from the starter. With the electrical connections removed, it is time to unbolt the old starter. You will typically find 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding it in place. Use the appropriate socket, often a 13mm or 15mm, with your ratchet to loosen and remove these bolts. Carefully maneuver the old starter out of its confined space, being careful not to damage any nearby components. Now, carefully position the new starter into place and secure it with the 2 or 3 mounting bolts. Tighten these bolts firmly, but do not over-tighten them. Reconnect both the main power wire and the smaller solenoid wire to the new starter. Once everything is connected, safely lower your vehicle and reconnect the negative battery cable. Finally, test your new starter by attempting to start the engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.